Hey everyone, how's it going? So there's a new way that Uber and Lyft drivers can start making an extra $100 per day. So if you drive for Uber and Lyft, you know that when you're out on the road, you want to make sure you're maximizing every single dollar. You want to make in every single hour, every single minute that you work, which is why I always recommend while you're driving for Uber to fill those times in between rides with something that you can use to generate income. Do you want to be on the phone doing solar sales in between rides, and then all of a sudden you get a ride request and you gotta hang up the phone and you just lost out on a deal, this, that? I don't think doing sales, I know a lot of drivers do sales. I think there's a better way, and it's by creating a faceless YouTube channel. So many people are making money this way, it's ridiculous. I personally have been generating just this past year on one of my channels over $10,000 per month through this faceless YouTube channels. And you know, I have several of these channels where basically I just set up these channels and start posting videos on them. Some of them have my face, obviously like this video you're watching right now, and then some of them don't have my face. Sorry, this is last year, 2023. Sorry, I guess it's nighttime here, so it's not focusing super well, but there you go, there you can see it. Oh no, that was, yeah, that was last year, over 120K. This year so far, 57K. Sorry, just want to show you guys, I've been making over 10 grand a month, just so you guys are aware. Now, I consider myself like a professional YouTuber, I guess, because literally I am, like this is what I do for work. But, by the way, I've already taught one of my friends how to do this, and she's been making over $40,000 per month doing this consistently. I've taught other people how to create these channels. I think it's really fun to help people make money like this because I think it's just like stupid, easy money. So what I did is I created a link below. You can join it. There's a 30-day free trial right now that will be closing soon. But I'm now teaching people online how to, and especially you guys, because I know you guys are side hustlers and entrepreneurs and you want to make more extra money. This is something you can do in between your rides. I mean, anybody can do it. You don't need to be an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, but it almost, in my opinion, I was thinking about it earlier. I was like, Uber drivers and Lyft drivers are the perfect people to become successful at the faceless YouTube channel method because you already have the entrepreneurial mindset. You already have the work ethic, because with faceless YouTube channels, it's not a get rich quick scheme at all. You will not, I mean, if you're brand new, unless you already have a monetized channel, you're not gonna make money the first day, the first month. You know, it takes time, unless you go viral or something, which honestly I wouldn't be that surprised, but you know, it's gonna take a little bit of time, probably a month or two to get monetized and start generating money if you're putting in the time every day or every other day at least. And it's the best thing to do like while you're waiting in between rides or after you do some rides, because you can do it all from your phone, right? We have all the technology now. What do you do? What do you see when you go walk around? Everyone's on their phone all day long, scrolling. I go to the gym now, I look around, everyone's on their phones. I'm like, no one's even working out at the gym. I walked into the gym the other day, some dude's on the stretching mat. He's literally laying down like this. And I watched him, he was laying down there for 15 minutes. I'm like, dude, you could literally just lay in your bed and do that. Why are you coming to the gym to scroll on your phone? And then the other day I was waiting to do the back exercise. There's one machine that we have to do the back exercise. There's a dude sitting on there hunched over on his phone for like 30 minutes. And I should have went up to him and kicked him, you know, been like, dude, can I use it? I literally went and did like 4 or 5 different machines. And I look over every 5 minutes and he's still on his phone. He hadn't done one exercise. I'm like, dude, people are so addicted. But the good thing about that is this is where everyone's attentions are. They're on YouTube, they're on TikTok. So that's how I decided, well, why don't I start a business where I create content that people watch and then I get paid for it? So what I learned how to do is start a faceless YouTube channel. And I think Uber drivers and Lyft drivers can. Try it out. Again, I have a link below. You can get your 30-day free trial. Once you join, you can log in and go to your My Program section and click View Programs, okay? There's a course there you can take. It's 54 minutes of content from me explaining how to set up a Faceless YouTube channel, how to make money, how to generate income, how to start making thousands of dollars. And then join the group chat. And what I want you to do is once you start your channel, I want you to post your link in there, and I'm gonna go in there and critique it and give you feedback and give you advice to go forward. And I'm really gonna hold your hand through this whole thing and help you out, because this is something that I've already been doing with personal friends and family in my own life. So I'm like, why not create a whole group for it? Because I mean, I think anybody can do it if you're willing to put in the time. So I think it's a great way for drivers to easily make, I mean, this is $100 a day, $3 grand a month. I think Uber and Lyft drivers are the perfect people to do this. Or if you're not an Uber and Lyft driver, but you're just interested to trying it out, I mean, $100 a day is definitely possible. $200 a day, that's, you know, you're getting a little more skilled there. You're talking $6 grand a month. $300 a day, you're talking around $9 grand a month. Again, I've been averaging over 10,000 bucks a month on one channel, and I have multiple channels. So I'm averaging over 300 bucks a day. I mean, I'll just show you guys here on one of my pages. I'll just go to the last 365 days. This is me on one of my pages, 365 days, and you can just click on some of these days. You can see bringing in over 1,000, but I don't know what I can't, it's kind of backwards for me right there, but yeah, look at this one, $1,559 in a single day, guys. It focuses better during the daytime. But look, like these, you know, it's, I don't know what that one is. That one I hit over $2,700 in a single day on YouTube. YouTube is crazy, guys. If you can like create a successful channel, it will change your life, as it did mine. This house I'm sitting in, I own this house. I bought it just over 2 years ago now from doing YouTube. So check out the link below. Start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. I also have another link down there to join my TikTok Shop Premium program, which is teaching people how I've been able to make over $1,000 in a single day. There's free trials for both, but I think I've been doing YouTube for much longer. The TikTok Shop thing is like kind of like new money, in my opinion, but YouTube is kind of like more consistent long term. TikTok Shop, people are making money like day one, day two. Like YouTube is more like, you're not gonna make money right away, but long term you'll probably make a little bit more, in my opinion. And who knows how long TikTok will even last with this whole shutdown thing. I don't think it's gonna get shut down within the next 6, 7, 8, 9 months, 12 months, but I think YouTube will definitely be around for a long, long time. So, but I mean, in 6, 12 months, you can still make a lot of money on TikTok. Like there's some days I make over $1,000 on TikTok. You think I'm gonna say, oh, I'm gonna stop making $1,000 a day because it's gonna get banned in a year? It's like, that's the worst advice I've ever heard. All right, guys, gonna end the video there. Let me know your thoughts with this. Take care. We'll talk soon.